Wow, good morning and welcome back to my channel this morning. This morning we're going to look at how to cure cough with natural remedy. And the first remedy in our list today is honey. Honey is very good for cough. It serves as a syrup or a natural syrup for the relief of a cough. All you have to do is just you take 1 tablespoon of honey 3 times in a day. That's one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening. Do that for 2 or 3 days. You'll see you start having relief from your cough. Another method or another item we have on our list today is curing a cough with a lemon juice and hot water. All you have to do is get the lemon orange, you cut it, and then you squeeze out the water. Pour the water you've squeezed, the juice you've squeezed out from the lemon, pour it inside a cup of warm water, mix it together, and then you drink it 3 times daily for 2 to 3 days too. And finally we'll have the cayenne pepper. I know a lot of people will be wondering what cayenne pepper is, but it's very easy to get in the market. When you ask people that sells it, or you go to shops where they sell natural items or herbal items, you go there, you ask them to show you or sell you cayenne pepper. All you have to do is just pour the cayenne pepper inside warm water, and you can also add a little lemon juice to the cayenne pepper and the warm water. Then you drink it 3 times a day for 2 to 3 days, and you see how relieved you will be from your cough. So these methods are just simple and natural ways you can cure cough at home, and these methods you don't need much money to do them. Most of these items you can get them from your backyard or your neighborhood. Just try them and see how it works. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe, and also share with other people so that they can also benefit from these health tips. Thank you so much for watching. But don't forget to watch this channel often for more educating health tips. Thank you so much for watching.